Hello, my name is Meredith Westbrook, and I teach at C.W. Davis Middle School in Hall County in Flowery Branch, Georgia. And up top, you'll see our stadium. And we took this picture right before the Falcons were about to go to the Super Bowl last year. I had the idea and went to my principal and asked him if we could get everybody in a big group shot. And so we came up with a plan and made that happen. And I'm in the front over there. I've got the blue arrow pointing in front of me, and I was kind of close to the front because I had actually been out on the field helping organize and make sure everybody was in the picture. But one of our teachers edited the picture and sent it to the Falcons to wish them luck. So that was a fun memory. Because we are located very close to where the Falcons practice. And actually, the school that you're looking at right now will not be our school next year. We're moving. That used to be Flowery Branch High School, and then it turned into C.W. Davis Middle School, which we have been housed in for about 9 years. But now our district got redistricted a little bit in our area. So Flowery Branch is moving back to that location. We're moving to our old location at our old middle school, which is directly across from where the Falcons practice. So we'll be even closer to them than we were. But anyway, so I teach Spanish to grades 6 through 8. So because I'm a Spanish teacher, I feel like the topic of diversity comes up a lot in my classroom. And when I get students for the first time, which happens more than once in the school year, because with 6th graders, they rotate every 9 weeks. And with 7th graders, they rotate every semester. So I get new students a lot throughout the year, and we have discussions about, who speaks Spanish in the world? And some students come in thinking that the language is not Spanish, but it's Mexican. And that everybody who speaks Spanish is Mexican. And so we have these talks about, well, is that true? Is everybody from Mexico? No, of course not. How do you know where somebody's from? Can you tell by looking at them? No, of course not. So I enjoy having those talks. That's one of my favorite things to help them understand that, no, you can't tell where someone is from just by looking at them. You have to get to know them and ask. But along in that same line is one of my least favorite things is that sometimes I feel like the students, some of the students don't really make that connection. And so it's kind of frustrating that we have these open talks, and yet it feels like I'm still not getting through to them, and the other students still aren't getting through to them. But we keep trying. So, that is about me. So I'm looking forward to learning about each of you. Thanks.